Hello YouTube, Chachi is back with another great video, and today's video is about Microsoft Team error. As you are seeing on the screen, it's saying we are sorry, we have run into an issue. Our Microsoft Team cannot log in. So in order to solve this problem, we are going to use different solutions. So stay tuned at the end of the video. And these solutions also work for different operating systems, starting from Windows 11, Windows 10, and other Windows operating system. So now let's see solution number one. So solution number one will be go to your Windows icon under your desktop, click on the Windows icon or right click on it. After you right click on it, you will find Task Manager, then select the Task Manager. So after you select the Task Manager, here you will find Microsoft Team option. So select the Microsoft Team option and click in the task. After you select Microsoft Teams, select End Task. So as you are seeing here, Microsoft is removed. Microsoft Team is removed from the process or from the application page. So close your Task Manager and check your Microsoft Team error is solved or not. The second solution would be click on your search icon under the task bar here. Click on the search icon and type here settings. After you find apps and settings, then click on it, and it may differ on Windows 10 the place that you find accounts, but click on accounts. So after you select accounts, then you will find access work or school. Access work or school. Click on that. So after you click access work or school, then access to resources like email, apps, and networks using your Microsoft account. So if you find a Microsoft Team account here, disconnect it and reconnect it. But if you do not find your Microsoft account like me, then select here connect. And after you select connect, you will find your Microsoft account. So insert the Microsoft account data or email addresses that you have here and your password. Then after you do that, then try to check your Microsoft Team. Then the third solution will be click here under the search icon, then type here credential. So here after you type credential, you will find the Credential Manager, then select the Credential Manager, and under the Credential Manager select Windows Credential, and find if there is a Microsoft Team information. In my case, I don't have a Microsoft information because I already removed it, but if it is a Microsoft Team, then select this one and select remove. Every Microsoft Team information should have to be removed. So after you remove those data, then close the Credential Manager and check your Microsoft Team. The third solution will be clearing cache data related with Microsoft Team. So before we clear the cache data, close the Microsoft Team in the Task Manager as you are seeing on screen. Click on your Windows icon or right click on it. After you right click on it, you will find Task Manager, then select the Task Manager. So after you select the Task Manager, here you will find Microsoft Team option. So select the Microsoft Team option and click in the task. So close your Task Manager. So after we close the Microsoft Team in the Task Manager, now let us clear the cache data. Then here I have a Notepad file. So here type on the search box this %appdata %, copy this one and minimize it, and type under the search box here Ctrl+V %appdata %. Then here it appeared. Then I'm going to select the %appdata, and after you select Microsoft, Microsoft, and after you select Microsoft, then select Teams. So after you select Teams, here we have different folders, so we are going to delete files from them. So the first one, delete files from blob storage. So here in my case blob storage is here, so I'm going to open it and select, then here delete. So the blob storage data or files are deleted under the blob storage. Then the second one, cache, under the cache folder. Here the cache folder is here, so I'm going to select each of them, control, and here I'm going to select delete, so it's all removed. And again, database folder. In my case here, database folder, I don't have the database folder, but if you have a database folder, again open the database and delete. And GPU cache, yes, in my case there is a GPU cache, so open the GPU cache and delete them under the GPU cache. So after you delete under the GPU cache, then index DB folder. In my case there is no index DB folder, but if you have this index DB folder, then open that and delete the datas. And after that, local storage folder. In my case here, the local storage folder is available, so I'm going to select local storage and again delete the local storage. So service worker folder will be the next. And in my case here, the service folder is not here, but in your case, if you find the service folder, delete the cache subfolders in the database subfolders under the service worker folder. So open these folders and delete the files under this folder. And the final one would be temp folder. So here the temp folder is, in my case, it's here. So I'm going to delete the files here, select this one and delete. So here finally we finished this. So after that restart team and log in to your account again. So we are going to restart the computer. So restart. So after the restart, if the Microsoft Team is still showing you the error, then the final solution will be uninstalling and reinstalling the Microsoft Team. So in order to uninstall, first click on your search icon and type and open the settings, or you can type under the search. I'm going to open the settings. So after the settings, click on apps and features, which is here, the apps option. So open the apps and click on apps and feature. So under the apps and feature, scroll down to the bottom to find the Microsoft Team. So here in the bottom, yes, we find here a Microsoft Team. So click on the three dots and select uninstall. Click uninstall. So after you uninstall, then copy this link. I'm going to put the description under the description box. Copy this and paste it on your browser to reinstall or to get back the Microsoft Team on your computer. So here I'm going to paste and press enter. So download Microsoft Team option become available on your screen, so you can download for desktop or for mobile as you wish, and you can log in back to your Microsoft Team. So this is all about the solutions related with Microsoft Team error. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like and support me by your comments on the comment section. Thank you. Chachi out for today.